Hey, this equation looks simple, right? So let's solve it very fast. 4 plus 4, 8 times 4 divide by 2 to the power of 2. 8 times 4, 32. Divide by 2 to the power of 2, main 2 times 2, that gives us 4. 32 divided by 4 equal to 8. Simple, right? But this answer is wrong because we have different operation here. Parentheses, addition, multiplication, division, and exponent. We have to follow the order of operation to avoid mistakes. And the order of operation we are using today, we want to use PEMDAS to represent it. This P stands for parentheses. We are going to solve everything in parentheses first. After that, we'll solve the exponent, something like a raised to the power n, which is this one. After that, we'll now solve the multiplication and division. They are in the same level or order of priority. We work it from left to right. Finally, we are going to solve addition and subtraction. They are in the same level of priority. We are going to evaluate it from left to right. So let's apply it. Remember, we are going to solve this parenthesis first. But inside this parenthesis, we have addition and multiplication. And according to PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than addition. So we are going to solve this multiplication first before we solve this addition. Let's begin. 4 times 4 will give us 16. So that gives us a new equation. 4 plus 16 in parentheses divide by 2 to the power of 2. Now 4 plus 16 will give us 20. Divide by 2 to the power of 2 will give us 4. Alright, now 20 divided by 4 equals 5. So the correct answer to this equation is 5.